Welcome back to part 3 of our keyboard shortcuts series. In the previous episode, we explored web browsing shortcuts, but today we dive into the world of file management shortcuts. Imagine a world where creating a new file or folder is as simple as pressing Ctrl N, or where opening a file is as easy as Ctrl O. Saving a file? Ctrl S has you covered. And if you want to save that file with a new name, just add Shift into the mix. That's Ctrl Shift S. And when you're all done and ready to print, Ctrl P is your best friend. Remember, all these shortcuts and more are waiting for you in the description box, along with some relevant links. Don't forget to press that subscribe button and ding the bell icon to stay updated on our series. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to mastering shortcuts together. This is your shortcut to success. Signing off until next time.